Okay, today, how we doing, guys? Lesson 11-8. Before we get started, like we said, handling adversity is the word of the week. We think sometimes when things don't go the right way, when we suffer a defeat, that we will never be able to overcome our problems. Not true. It is only a beginning, always. Greatness comes not when things always go good for you, but greatness comes when you're really tested, when you take some knocks, some disappointments, when sadness comes. This is the pandemic right now. An example for everybody. It's not easy, okay? But it's going to make us better. Because only if you have been in the deepest valley can you ever know how awesome it is to be on the highest mountain. So when you go through your junk in life, pandemic, personal problems, friend problems, trouble in school, whatever the problem is, that's your valleys. But when you get through it, you get to that mountain and it's some view. Always give your best. Try to never get discouraged, and above all, never give up. So stay focused, guys. Handle the adversity. We're going to get to the top of the mountain, and you're going to enjoy the view. You're going to enjoy every day from here on out, and not worry about the little things in life after you're dealing with this, or learn how not to complain. Okay, today we're dealing with median in tables. Okay, so there's a little explanation here on the notes for 11.8. But I'm going to get right to example number 1 because I think that's the way we learn best. All right, so median just means middle. By a table, they automatically put them in order. Okay, so be careful shaking here. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 7 is 20, plus 5 is 25. So I just added those together. Now, it's an odd number. So when it's an odd number, we take 25, add 1 to it. So 26 divided by 2 is the 13th number. This is not your answer. The median is the 13th number in our frequency. One of these answers is what our median is going to be. So I count 8 and 5 is 13. So the 13th number is going to be 34. If I go from the bottom up, 5 and 7 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So the 13th number is in here. So the median would actually be 34. Okay? So this is the one that gives people the most trouble over the years on our final exam, which we don't have this year, but median drives us crazy. So what did I do? Add up the frequencies. 8 and 6 is 14, and 7 is 21, and 9 is 30. So there's 30 sources here. There's 30 observations or frequencies. It's an even number, so this one's easy. 30 divided by 2, 15th number. Okay, 8 and 6 is 14, so it is not in there. 14 and 7 is 21. Is the 15th number in here? Yes, it is. Now go from the bottom. 9 plus 7 is 16. So you're just adding up, guys, and you're looking for the 15th number. In this case, your median or middle number is 39. Okay? So dividing by 2, median means middle. When you split something in half, that's what we do, is divide by 2. Now, most difficult one. Take our frequency. Still, we're just looking for the median. So we add these all together. 13 and 5, 18 and 8, 26. 26 is an even number, so I divide it by 2. I'm looking for the 13th number. Now, 7 plus 6 is 13. Is it 34? Here's the problem. We do the top and the bottom. 8 and 5 is also 13. So we have to take the number in between 34 and 39 and divide that by 2. So that's the tricky one. When it comes in between here, we add them together. 34 plus 39 is what, Sam?
Oh.
Pressure's on 73. Divided by 2 is 36.5.
I wasn't paying attention.
I did that because I didn't have it written down, guys. Sorry, Sam. All right, last but not least, how are we doing for time, Sam?
Good, 4:30.
Wow. Okay, so the median is not bad, but now, oops, I forgot, guys. Sorry. This thing is easier if I just leave this up. Okay, so here we go. The last one is example number 4, and this is your homework, guys. Median is the hardest one. Okay, that's why we did 3 examples with the median, but now we do them all. So they're asking for the mean, which is your average, your mode, which is most often, your median is middle, and your range, you just take the high from low. So the mean when we have a table, this is the one where we need to make an XF column. And essentially, all we're doing is counting the scores. Instead of writing 2 5s, 7 4s, 1 6, all that, and adding them all together, we're just doing it a little bit quicker here. So XF means we're multiplying. 8 times 7, 9 times 5, 45, 10 times 2 is 20. Okay? So remember, when we first started this, we said we total it with 2 lines. That's called our sigma. Okay? So how much total frequency do I have? I have 3 and 4, 7, 14, and 5 is 19 plus 2 is 21. Okay, so here's 21. You all have calculators. Hopefully you can read my writing okay today. That's going to give you 165. Now, the biggest thing is to show our work. So in our mean, we take 165, divide it by 21, and our mean for this problem is 7.89, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So that's your mean. Show all work. It does not say around on your homework, I don't believe. Of course, I'm not going to find it right now. Mode is most often. Now watch this. Some students will pick a 2 and write down 2 is the mode. Your answer has to be from the scores. And that's why I write most often. So this 7 is the one that happens most often. So my answer is 8. That's a big one because a lot of kids will look at those 2s. Median, middle, same thing we just did. Take the 21. Whoops, it's an odd number, so we're going to add 1 to it. Divide it by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11th number. A lot of kids will stop. Don't stop. We got to go back to our frequency. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 4 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. The 11th number is in there. Go to the bottom. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 and 7 is 14. So our median is also 8. Okay? Range is usually easy. Please write high minus low. 10 minus 5. Your range is 5. Okay? So that's it. I strongly encourage you to do 2 on our homework. Don't cut us off yet, Sam. On our homework, we have 3 listed there. Do 2 of them. We'll probably post the answer key if I don't go over them. I'm just checking. It does not say it around. So, Jen, just leave your decimal answer as it is. All right, everybody. NT, stay strong. Miss you guys. Hopefully everybody's going to enjoy the warmer weather. All right? Take care.